I hope he don't mind me using this track. Credit goes out. Bass Addict 91. Back subs are turned off. Just the 10 in the front. That's all we're playing.
Trying to get the cash up, all in a bag. Too many flex though, really. Y'all niggas saying I can do what I want. I ain't got a brag. Only try to keep bringing pressure. I ain't trying to crash. Can't lock in fire. Guess I'm on demon time. Trying to go 21. Guess I'm on prime time. She said I'm too special. I reply big lies. Bitch won't Pandora me. Show to do skirt time. I done went deep. Died in the bottle of Henny. Came out, I'm feeling about time. Feeling my ego, check my steel low. Got these niggas old man, I die. You better come out this shit and go get you some money. Can see all that hate in your eyes. I speak and she looks so surprised. I told her I'm blessed in the sky. I'm on that game pack. Sitting on cloud nine.
Alright guys, so right now I'm pre-wiring the speakers to go in the doors, and I'm setting them up with a male spade output so that I can connect the female spades that are already in the doors to those and give me a way to unplug the panel whenever I pull it off the door. Also makes it a lot easier to actually install it because I'm not sitting there trying to pull all these wires from the doors to the individual drivers. I can just pull them over and connect them to this pigtail that I'm creating. And yeah, I'm tired. Looking good though. Ooh. Well, that's got my back tired and my neck tired and every other thing. I think my tired's even tired. But they are installed, loaded and wired with pigtails. I still got to put new door clips on a bunch of it, but other than that.
Yo, I'm riding down the street, got the bass on blast. Car audio enthusiasts, I'm first, never last. Subwoofer thumping, got the neighborhood jumping. In the world of sound, I'm always pumping. Car audio enthusiasts, that's my game. Hidden frequencies, no two sound the same. From the highs to the lows, mid-range in between. My car sound system is a music machine.
Alright, that is hung, but it still needs the screws put in it, the cell panel put on, all that. But it is hung and hooked up, so let's move to the other. Alright, got the door pods in, hooked up and installed. Doors are put back together again, which was a process, but we got it. And I've got a real simple tune. Now right now I have these two guys on one channel, these two guys on one channel, and the same on the other side. But on the amplifier, I've got this door playing off of one channel right now. So this door is all EQ'd together, and that door is all EQ'd together. The tweeters and the woofers are getting the same amount of power from the same exact signal. Now on the DSP right now, I've got it rolled off like this. So these guys down here are still getting a full range. All these guys are still getting a full range signal, but at about 8,000 hertz or so, I've got it rolled down quite a bit. So it's a slope off and then it levels off. So basically I'm tapering the tweeters off. The tweeters have got a 8.5K crossover point on the capacitors that's on them. So at that point, I'm dropping the EQ down. And I'm going to show you, this is just preliminary. I'm going to have these guys split up, but right now I just wanted to test it and see how it went. So I'm going to play one of my tracks and show you what we've got right at the moment. by the way, the only sub that's playing right now is my sub down here under the console. I have the back ones turned off, so everything you're hearing is coming from that little JL10 down there in the console. Fit when the door is closed. I hope he don't mind me using this track. Credit goes out. Bass Addict 91. Back subs are turned off. Just the 10 in the front. That's all we're playing.
Trying to get the cash up, all in a bag. Too many flex though, really. Y'all niggas saying I can do what I want. I ain't got a brag. I'm trying to keep bringing pressure. I ain't trying to crash. Can't lock been fire. Guess I'm on demon time. Trying to go 21. Guess I'm on prime time. She said I'm too special. I reply big lies. Bitch won't Pandora me. Show to do skirt time. I done went deep. Died in the bottle of Henny. Came out, I'm feeling baptized. Feeling my ego, check my stilo. Got these niggas so mad I die. You better come out this shit and go get you some money. Can see all that.